Pawar's NCP saying there must be a fair trial for Tahavur Rana. Not that there is justice, not that finally for the victims, the 166 people who lost their lives in the 26/11 attacks, we're finally seeing the wheels of justice moving forward. None of that. Instead, already people making a case for Tahavur Rana saying ensure that it's a fair trial that happens. It's a lawful trial first. There's no need for a lecture on that because we've seen how well our courts handle these kind of cases. And yet to state the obvious, and at such a time when the country is currently talking about the extradition of a wanted terrorist, you've got the NCP Sharad Pawar faction talking about what the trial should look like.
एक घिनौना आतंकवादी जो विश्व के किसी भी हिस्से में छुपा हुआ था, उसे आज हमारे सुपुर्द किया गया। अब ये जो तहव्वुर राना आ रहे हैं, इनके मामले में भी ट्रायल में हमें बहुत चौकन्ना रहना चाहिए। तहव्वुर राना के लिए भी एक फेयर ट्रायल कंडक्ट की जाएगी, इसलिए कि फौजदारी कानून की दुनिया में क्रिमिनल ट्रायल इज अ क्वेस्ट फॉर ट्रूथ, यानी हम सच्चाई की तह तक ट्रायल के जरिए पहुंचे हैं, ये बात जाहिर होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल। और ये बात अजमल कसाब के मामले में बिल्कुल हो चुकी, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि तहव्वुर के मामले में भी हम कहीं कोई कोताही करेंगे।
And in the meanwhile, let's also, in fact, get you more details also of what the government has said. Vidya is joining us with more details on this. Vidya, unfortunate really that we're seeing this kind of politics playing out over something that should be much, much above this kind of back and forth.
He's not with NCP SP, but he's with the Trinamool Congress now. He used to be with the NCP SP earlier, but then in 2022 he joined the Trinamool Congress. Well, being a lawyer, you know, as it is expected, being a lawyer, he would have said something like this. Because, you know, when Kasab was picked up, when he was taken alive by the Mumbai police, you know, the first thing that everyone wanted was they were all playing for his blood. But the Indian government did was set up an entire court, brought in witnesses. There was a young girl as young as 10-year-old who testified against Kasab, recognized him as a perpetrator who was shooting down everyone at the CST railway station. So, you know, there has been a fair trial that has been conducted against Kasab as well, the perpetrator, the Fidain who had attacked and killed many. So, obviously, you know, the government of India will certainly make sure that everyone in this case, be it Abu Jundal, who is also facing a trial right now, to Tahavur Rana now, who will be given a fair trial. And remember, we'll have to really see the fine print of the extradition agreement that has been reached out between the US government and the Indian government before we can really decide as to whether, you know, what will be the nature of the way it will be done, where he'll be kept. Remember, aspects of where he will be kept was something very important because, you know, the kind of treatment that he was getting in the US is something that the US really authorities wanted to make sure that. That's one of the reasons why Tihar jail, remember in cases like Chota Rajan we have seen, he was extradited from, you know, Bali, but he was never brought to Mumbai in spite of the fact that every day the trial is held here. On a day-to-day basis, there are cases being heard. He's been convicted in few, acquitted in few, but all of it is attending through a video conferencing facility all the way from the Tihar jail. So, you know, the modalities of how the trial will be done, the way it will be conducted, that will be something that we'll really have to wait and watch, because that's something that the government is still working on. They'll have to make sure that, you know, the case against Abu Jundal, which is stayed by the Bombay High Court right now, well, that comes to a decision and the trial begins in that case. And if that does happen, then will, you know, Tahavur Rana's case be, you know, joined in? Will the both of them be facing the trial together? Well, those are something that we'll really have to wait and see as to how the modalities work out. But certainly, fair trial is something that the government of India too has already indicated in its fine print that it had given for the extradition agreement.